Overview. Mercedes-Benz's entry-level sports sedan has been thoroughly redesigned for the 2022 model year, but the C-Class sticks with its winning formula of luxury and prestige at an affordable price. The modernization gives the C-Class what it needs to better battle rivals such as the Audi A4, BMW 3 Series, and Genesis G70. The cabin is where we see the most modernization, as the C-Class inherits styling elements and technology from the S-Class sedan. Like the outgoing C-Class, the 2022 model is built on a rear-drive platform, is powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and offers all-wheel drive as an option. Handling is confident in the C-Class. What's new for 2024? The EQG will be an all-new model for the Mercedes brand when it launches. We expect it to arrive for the 2024 model year, meaning it could go on sale in late 2023. Although it will probably share a similar suspension and chassis with the gas-powered G-Class, the batteries and electric motors will be new to the EQG. We estimate that the price of the 2024 Mercedes EQG will be in the $150,000 range when it reaches dealerships. We'll know more about the different EQG trims and their pricing closer to the electric off-roaders on sale date, EV motor, power, and performance. The EQG is expected to be powered by 4 electric motors, one near each wheel, that will be individually controllable, which should improve on and off-road driving performance. If the concept is any indication, the EQG will also come with a shiftable 2-speed gearbox for traveling far off the beaten path. The EQG will use a similar chassis setup to the gas G-Class, with a sophisticated independent front suspension, which should help with on-road driving, and a rigid rear axle, interior, comfort, and cargo. The concept EQG is fitted with a lockable box in place of the traditional spare wheel housing, to store the charging cable and provide some additional storage, but we still expect the EQG to offer a rear-mounted spare tire unlike the concept. As more information becomes available, we'll update this story with more details about range, charging, and battery life, fuel economy and real-world mph, interior, comfort, and cargo, infotainment and connectivity, safety and driver assistance features, warranty and maintenance coverage.